Alright, good day class, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to construct a cycloid. Now with the diameter given, say 50 millimeter, you stretch 25 millimeter, that's 2.5 centimeter on a pair of compass, and describe a circle with it. So that's the circle. Now draw the diameter of the circle and extend it out like this with thin lines. Alright, so the next thing you do is you divide the circle into 12 equal parts, and you know exactly how to do that. Okay, so then we have our circle divided into 12 equal parts. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, 0 and 12, they are on the same point. Now the next thing you do is you drop a perpendicular line, a perpendicular line from on this line 6, 0. Okay, or better still, you can just transfer this line here, this horizontal line. Make sure you transfer correctly. All right, transfer it down here to this point and draw a horizontal line, thin line. All right, then also transfer to 6. Please just ignore that dog barking, okay? Transfer to 6. Alright. So after doing that, now you know these divisions here, okay? They are all equal. Just take one of them. Say 0 to 11 or 11 to 10. They are all equal. Just take one of the divisions, okay? And step off 12 divisions on this line. So having done that, this is 0, 10. You can take any one of them. Alright, now step off 12 equal divisions on this line. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there we have it. Now the next thing to do is to drop perpendicular to these points from 1 to 12. Okay, so you drop a perpendicular. You can use your set square to achieve that. You drop the first one, say on 12, thin lines. All right, then you cannot transfer the rest. So you transfer this line here. Okay, you transfer to 11, transfer to 10, and so on and so forth. Okay, so after transferring all the lines, then you now label these centers C1, C2 to C12. Now remember, this is 0, or you can call it C0. That's the center of the circle. All right, so you call this one C1, C2, C3 up to C12. All right, okay, so what you are going to do next is to draw horizontal lines that are parallel to these, that are parallel to these lines. Okay, so now if you notice, you discover that 5 and 7, they are on the same they are coinciding, you understand? So if you draw a horizontal line to go through 5 and 7, 4 and 8, 3 and 9 is already drawn, 2 and 10, and 1 and 11, all right? So to do that, it is better you transfer the line so you don't make mistakes. So align your set square with this line on top, okay? And transfer to 7. Now you would notice that 7 and 5, they will coincide. So you draw a thin line there. Then you will notice 4 and 8, they will coincide. 4 and 8 will coincide, and you draw a thin line down, and so on. Okay, so we are done drawing all the lines. Now remember, 0, this point here, is the beginning of the cycloid, and the cycloid is going to end at 12 here. All right, so how do we get the other points? All right, so I will show you now. Okay, now go back and stretch 2.5, or just simply take the diameter of the radius of the circle rather. Okay, So this is CO. CO is the radius of the circle, and you can go around just like that. Okay, so this is CO. Now I told you already, this is the beginning, so we already have our O dotted, all right, and we have our 12 dotted. So this is C. So for CO we have O. Okay, so you now move to C1. Remember, you focus on the center line, all right. So this is C1, all right. Now you now look for line 1. This is line 1. Can you see it? And cut line 1 with same radius, same radius of the circle. You cut line 1 like this. So we have this point here. Then you now move to C2 and cut line 2. This is C2 now. Where is line 2? This is line 2. Cut line 2. We have this dot here. You move to C3 and cut line 3. So this is C3. You cut line 3. Move to C4 and cut line 4. So this is C4. And this is line 4. Alright. C5. You cut line 5. This is line 5. C6. Now C6 is definitely the top here. There's no point cutting it. Then you move to C7. C7. This is line 7. You know 5 and 7, they are on the same line. So you cut 7. So you move to C8. This is 4-8, line 4-8. So you cut line 8. C9. You cut line 9, the center line. C10. You cut line 10. C11. You cut line 11. Okay, 12 has already been dotted. So there you have all the points, all the dots. All right, so you use your pencil to what? Make a dot on each point of intersection. All right, so you use a French curve or a flexible curve or even a broom to connect the cycloid. So there you have it. Make sure it's a clean curve.